Writing style engaging. Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamt of turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the nuts and bolts of earning through YouTube. So, strap in and let's get started. First up, AdSense. This is the most direct way to earn. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetizing your videos through ads. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. The key to maximizing your earnings is not just about views, but viewer engagement. More engaged viewers mean more ad revenue. Next, let's talk sponsorships. This is where brands pay you to promote their products or services. It's all about leveraging your audience. The bigger and more engaged your audience, the more attractive you are to brands. Remember, authenticity is crucial here. Promote products you believe in, so your audience trusts your recommendations. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. You promote a product, and every time your audience buys through your link, you earn a commission. It could be anything from tech gadgets to skincare products. The trick? Integrate these products seamlessly into your content. Make it natural, not forced. Don't overlook merchandise. If you've built a strong brand or have a catchy slogan, consider selling branded merchandise. It's a great way to earn and also strengthen your community. Whether it's t-shirts, hats, or stickers, your fans love to show their support. Lastly, let's not forget YouTube memberships and Patreon. These platforms allow your fans to support you directly. In exchange, they get exclusive content, perks, and more. It's a fantastic way to create a steady income stream while deepening your connection with your most dedicated viewers. So, there you have it. Whether it's through ads, sponsorships, or your very own merch line, there are plenty of ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Just remember, it all starts with great content and an engaged audience. Keep creating, keep engaging, and watch your channel grow. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.